Hello, everybody. So it's time to bake some cookies, and again, I'm baking it for the first time, and it sounds perfect because the things I'm using is chocolate cookies, chocolate powder. So it's gonna be yum. You just need egg, butter, and this one I have added is powdered sugar. Mix them well. Baking cookies is something like something connected to childhood. When we used to make like small cookies of clay, and yeah, I'm using clay also today, but not in my cookies, but for my art piece. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Here I have added baking powder and some chocolate powder. Then this mixture, mix them well until it becomes a very soft dough. And who doesn't want lot of cookies? This is the star of the show, the chocolate cookies. I'm adding more chocolate. This is dark chocolate to balance the sweetness and some kadwapan. I love the dark chocolate, so I'm adding it. It's just on you. Here are some andas of chocolate. So I have made it round, and I will shape them accordingly. You can do it whatever, it's just on you. Do experiments. Maze karo. The oven should be preheated, and set the temperature to 150 and bake them for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I always love having plants, indoor plants at my home because there is no direct sunlight. So I used to think, and I have failed several times. And here are the conclusion: these plants are best for indoor if you don't have direct sunlight. अगर मेरे बस में हो, I would like make my house jungle. but I have failed many times. I have told you many coffee plants rakhe and they didn't survive. I don't know what's the reason, but there's few conclusion I have came across are the you need to maintain the soil, and you don't need to over water your plant. That's the reason, I guess. And I don't know, indoor gardening relieves stress, boosts creativity, productivity and focus, and promotes recovery. I grow plants for many reasons: to please my eye, or to please my inner soul, to challenge the elements, or to challenge my patience, even when you saw them growing slowly. And yeah, but mostly for the joy of seeing them grow, how like you can learn the you can say you can learn the beauty of patience by seeing them. As someone has also told that everything that slows us down and forces patience, everything that sets us back into the slow circles of nature, is a help. Gardening is an instrument of grace. Look at this little creature, we found it in our leaves. It's time to check the cookies, they are baked or not. Yes, they are. We will leave these cookies as it is for at least 10 to 15 minutes in room temperature. And after 10 minutes, lack of patience, which I was talking about, I'm learning. So this is the texture. It was superb. uh, I'm proud of myself. Yay. Here I'm back to my studio. Uh, just like a sculptor takes time to mold a sculpture, take your time to hone your skills too. I ordered this clay from Amazon. It's terracotta. They provide you kgs wise, and I was supposed to order the red terracotta, but I got this one, so chalega. I'm painting based artist, but sculpture is my favorite. Sometime I used to think to be a full-time sculptor, But what if you can mix the both, go as a flow? So here I have a sketch of face. I will go through that. I used to add some small stick or something for the base not to fall apart. This was the part of my broken brush. I don't have specific tools. It's not that I can't buy them, but I don't feel need because I use anything sharp and which are available in my studio, like spatula or a sharp scale and anything for your kind of texture. I have few collection of mini sculptures which you can see in my YouTube page. There is a full video on those sculpture. I will show on my next video too. Today I will just sculpt the base. That will be a just rough, just like you say, the rough sketch. I don't know what they say for the clay. So today is just the base day. On my next video I will show you the whole thing about completing and my small mini collection of sculptures. I love sculpting weird faces with weird expressions. You will get to know. And here I'm using the another broken part of that brush stick. This is perfect. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Have you ever felt like you were being punched, pounded, stressed, pushed, spun around, put in the fire, and left to sit alone in life? Then it's very likely that you too are potter's clay. It's done for today. Wait for the next vlog. I will complete this sculpture in my next vlog because I have to leave it to get 50% dry. So have a nice day or night. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.